For increased ergonomics and handling, we strive to make your AQUATECH water housings and lens ports as light as possible, while still offering the strength and durability required to protect and operate your equipment in tough conditions. One of the downsides of this can be the extra buoyancy that occurs when working at depths, especially when using our larger domes, when you're trying to maximize the image quality and sharpness of your wide-angle lenses. To help with this issue, we have designed a weight bracket mount that attaches to the base of the Edge Base, Edge Pro, and Edge Max water housings, along with the older Elite 2, Reflex, and Evo models of our water housings. The setup is simple, and when balanced can result in neutral buoyant or even negatively buoyant water housings. Let me guide you through the setup process, which is quick and simple. Out of the box, you will receive the bracket, the mounting block, the mounting hardware, including 2 screws, and a velcro strap. You will need your own standard dive weights, and we suggest starting with a single weight, as in most cases, this will be totally fine. Take your water housing and flip it over to access the mounting points on the bottom of your housing. Attach the mounting block with the AQUATECH logo facing towards your lens port with the 2 smaller screws. Then completely loosen the black knob until free of the mounting block and place the weight bracket onto the mounting block as shown. This mounting block allows the weight bracket to sit underneath our larger 8-inch domes and flat ports. Secure the bracket by replacing the large black knob and fasten it into place. Next, thread the strap through the bracket and the dive weight as shown, and take the end of the Velcro strap and thread it back through the buckle on the end of the Velcro strap. Next, take the excess strap and wrap that around your weight and secure the Velcro end to hold the weight in place. You can now adjust the positioning of the weight to best balance out your setup by loosening the black knob and sliding the weight either forward or back depending on your needs. If you have smaller, lighter weights, you can stack these when setting up, and if you're traveling, you can pick up a loan or a rental dive weight once you reach your location to save on those extra baggage weight costs. The weight bracket can work with all X series lens ports and P series lens ports, besides the PD 16-inch dome and the XLD 12-inch dome, which are our super large domes and not really the lens port that you'd be trying to dive with anyway. So that's it. This simple accessory is available now, and we hope this can improve your user experience in the water with AQUATECH water housings. If you have any questions, please don't hesitate to reach out to our trained staff via the website for the best support.